What are you doing?
Dude, wait, why are you being so loud anyway, dude? I blind bought a Zoologist fragrance. And I'm playing into the whole blind thing.
Blindfolded?
Dude, have you not seen that movie Bird Box? You're not supposed to be loud.
It's a movie.
Yeah, but Victor Wong had the whole thing with Bird Box on there, and then like he wasn't revealing the creature. He might have some kind of alien creature in there or something. Where's the box at anyway? Dude, did you move the box?
I finally found what I'm missing, and now you got all my attention. Driving me wild, got me wishing that you were all mine. You're irresistible, so refreshing. You're irresistible, tell the essence. I can feel your energy all over me. Close my eyes and I breathe in. You're irresistible.
Welcome back to Carolina Fragrance Reviews. We're doing something for the first time on this channel now that I have grabbed my composure back and cleaned my underwear out. Actually, I had to go put a new pair on. But Victor Wong had a little deal going on where he had 50 people blind buy his newest fragrance. And yeah, it's been revealed. I was hoping that it wouldn't be revealed by the time that this was recorded, but everybody knows now that it is Squid. And I had one hell of a time trying to keep a lid on anything that was coming through the community because I didn't want to know anything about the fragrance. So far, I've heard the name of the fragrance and the mystery note was ink. So that kind of spoiled it a little bit, but I still have no idea what it smells like. And we are going to do an unboxing and first impressions right here, right now. To get things started, I know that there was limited edition artwork on this, and Victor, I've got to say, this is really personal. It's got my name and my address. Wait a minute, I still gotta open it. That's a knife. That's something I like about Zoologist and Victor Wong. You can always look for a nice letter from him. That means a lot, Victor. That right there. You other perfume companies that are not doing that personal touch, that goes a lot with people like me. More personal information. All right. Oh, this is really nice. I'm really curious as to what this smells like now. When it was being released, you know, little hints here and there, I actually thought it might be a whale because there was something said at one time about I think it's something about singing in the depths of the ocean or something like that. So I was like, it has to be a whale or a dolphin. Never thought it was gonna be a squid. So it would make sense that it has a note of ink in it. This is really nice. I really like this artwork on here. I'm glad I got in on the limited edition art. And of course, Zoologist always has their really cool boxes that actually, if you're a collector, look really nice on the shelf, kind of looks like the spine of a book. Now let's get into the gist of it all. I don't know who does the artwork for the animals, but they always have like cool hats or sunglasses or whatever, like T-Rex with the sunglasses. That bottle was awesome. Fragrance just did not work for me at all, but hey, to each their own. From what I heard, this was not supposed to be like a super challenging fragrance like some of the zoologist fragrance are. Oh wow. You know, what we're gonna do is I'm actually gonna, well, let me just talk about what I'm smelling on the opening. and then we will cut to a break and do a 3 hours later or something like that. And I'll tell you what it's like on the dry down, see if it evolves, because a lot of the zoologist fragrances do have like a lot of evolution going on. But this is, wow. This is really, really good. Wow. If you want to talk about a nice aquatic fragrance, and that's exactly what I assumed it would be, you know, squid obviously living in the ocean, but I kind of thought it would be like, and maybe it will on the dry down, it might be, you know, real musty or maybe like a metallic ink or something like that. I'm not getting that. This reminds me, the ink in this, now it's a totally different fragrance, but M Mink by Byrd has an ink note in it. That's kind of what I pick up, but it has like a lot of patchouli and stuff like that. Very, very dark fragrance, the Byrd, but this is a similar ink vibe in this one that I'm getting. But the aquatic in here, ambergris, really nice. Let's take a break. Let's see what's going on with the dry down, and then we'll go over the notes and everything else in it.
Looks like a scarecrow from Batman.
It does. Man, this is nice. This does not smell like a zoologist fragrance at all.
No, it's dark, but it's nice.
Yeah. You want an aquatic fragrance with some personality.
Oh, it's definitely changing now.
Yeah.
It's getting more complex the more and more it sits.
Yeah. This one is probably the most mass appealing.
Yeah.
Oh, it's kind of got like a salty brine to it. Let's see what the notes. Not at all what you would expect from zoologists. I mean, like, I was really surprised how many of their other fragrances I really liked. I mean, like, really honestly liked. Zach liked a bunch of them. 8 years old, and I like that, Dad. I'm like, really? It's like, heck yeah, dude.
3 hours later.
Okay, to sum it up, this is absolutely by far the best zoologist fragrance I have ever smelled. As far as challenging fragrances, which Zoologist is known for, they have put out some extremely challenging fragrances. A couple of them that just absolutely did not work for me. And that's the whole point. I mean, they're not trying to go for mass appealing fragrances every time they put one out. But I think if like you want to dabble into zoologists, this is probably the easiest one to wear. Now, if it's probably not for everybody, obviously I don't know of any fragrances for anybody, but I'll tell you what, I am thoroughly impressed with this. You want to wear an aquatic fragrance that has some personality. This one has a ton of it. And I wish, I haven't got a full wear and I can't tell you about, performance, longevity, or any of that stuff. But I will do an update on Instagram, let you know, my thoughts on that. If you're interested, let me know in the comments. Might just do it anyway because I am thoroughly intrigued by this fragrance. I'm really, really shocked. Not saying that this just does not smell like your typical zoologist fragrance. Now, like Chameleon and Dodo, those were still more along the lines of, safe for zoologists, but they're still not like a dumb reach fragrance. You're not gonna have any fragrance from zoologists, and that's the whole point. They're, it is a indie house that does very, very unique fragrances that all have a story about an animal. But when you think of squid, I mean, the most fun I've ever had with any squid is calamari. But this is really, really, really good. One thing that I will say that I've noticed though, and I thought the dark juice was really, really cool. I'm noticing how it's shining on my hand. I would not spray this on a white t-shirt. Maybe on a black t-shirt you might be okay. I would just spray this on my skin. That's just, my personal opinion, just because of the way that it's shining on my skin. But amazing. All right, let me read the notes to this to you. Now there is a note in here I'm probably gonna butcher, but I'm just gonna wing it. Okay, it's got pink pepper, solar salate or salicylate, I don't know. Incense, black ink accord, salty accord, apopanox, ambergris. Y'all was definitely getting the ambergris in there. benzoin, musk, definitely getting the musk in there. The salty accord, the black ink accord, definitely the pink pepper. I mean, this is an excellent fragrance, and as mass appealing as it gets for zoologists. Again, you guys need to get your nose on this. You can hit up Victor Wong, and he does have samples now available for this. I think I saw somebody say that they did. I could be wrong, but they obviously will. You can get all of them. And also, Near Guy at Perfumology has the fragrance. He probably has samples available as well. So you can check either at Perfumology or zoologist.com. They should have samples. You definitely want to sample this. If you've been wanting to try zoologists and have been afraid to try them out, I would not be scared to try this. I wish this actually was released a little bit earlier, because this would definitely be getting a lot of wear for spring and summer. I'm looking forward to wearing it for the rest of the summer. We still have plenty of hot weather left in North Carolina. It doesn't, like, you can't count the hot weather out until like early November, late October. So I still got a couple of months of wearing on this. I hope you enjoyed this first time ever unboxing, and with zoologists of all brands. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, smash that like button, and we'll see you next time on Carolina Fragrance Reviews.